Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna do the unboxing of Arboleaf Digital Kitchen Scale, make a recipe and count the calories. This is the Arboleaf. It's a bit difficult to unbox. Mine is damaged because the customs have opened. I bought it from the UK because it was cheaper. There is a USB cable inside. You can plug into your computer or use an adapter and plug to the switch socket. And the user guide. This QR code in the sticker directs you to the company's website, but not to the app. You need to go to Google Play or Apple App Store and download. I'm gonna try to pair. The scale is discharged. I wasn't able to pair, but I downloaded another app called Food Diet. It's compatible with the scale and calculates each ingredient calories. This is the plate weight. I pressed the tare button, but you can do the same on your mobile phone or tablet. This is the passion fruit weight. It's not on the list, so I'm gonna add as a new ingredient. Click Add, Customize, and New Food. I'm gonna add nutrition facts, the picture, and finish. Now I'm gonna make the recipe and learn how many calories are. This is the ball weight. I'm gonna press start button on my mobile phone, place dark chocolate, and microwave for about 1 minute at 900 watts power. I'm not gonna place it again on the scale and add the other ingredients because the ball is hot and may damage the scale. I'm gonna place spread, the egg, caster sugar, melt dark chocolate, whole milk, vanilla essence, plain flour, baking powder, and stir. I'm gonna weight the mug, and later when the cake is cooked, I'm gonna deduct from total weight. I'm gonna microwave for 3 minutes at 900 watts power. And leave to cool. This is the mug plus the cake weight. And this is the cake calories. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. See you later. Bye!